Hello everyone, uh, welcome to yet another tutorial, and this time we are going to be looking at how to come up with the login form in Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. So uh, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, and then like and share on social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. I'll be sharing with you people. Yeah, let's get started. uh, I have Visual Basic 6 here. This is the interface. This prompt is telling us to begin a new Microsoft Visual Basic project, and we shall choose a standard executable project or standard exe. So when I open this, basically I will have this user form opened up for me. Then I'll have to create two forms basically for easy demonstration or easy understanding. Then this is our form 2, or the second form is our form 2. Then we shall go on and set properties for these different forms as well. So I have the form, the default form, and then I have form 2 as well. So basically we shall begin with designing our interface. First of all, I'll rename this login form or form. Let me say login form. Then its caption will be login. That is its caption. The properties for this form, I'll just try to change its back color and then forth. So I'll look here, I shall have back color. I'll change this to different palette. Say we shall have this. Then I'll need two labels. I have this label. I have to draw this label, and then I also need a text box. I also have to draw here a text box. So I'll set properties for these two, beginning with the label. So I'll not bother with the name, label 1. I'll only look at the caption. So this caption will be username. So I'll have the username caption. Then I'll change the font of this label. I'll change the font of this label to Times New Romans. Then I'll make it font size 28 and font size 28. Then I'll change the other property such that its back style is transparent, such that I also change its fur color to a very bright fur color, like an inactive border. Then for clarity, I'll go back here and I have to bold this. Then for our text box, I'll eliminate this text here. However, I'll make it centered. Then I'll change its name to I'll change this name to text user. Then I'll change its font. I'll make it Times New Romans as well. Then I'll give it font size 16. Yeah, that's okay. Font 16. Then try to reduce its size. I'll do away with this text in it. I'll say made this. So what next? I have to copy this by selecting each of them. Copy, and I'll have to paste. So they ask, you already have a control named label 1. Do you want to create a control array? We'll say no. Then the same case for the text box, and I'll drag them down here like that. So I'll just change this caption. I'll change this caption of this label to password. So after changing this password, I'll change the text box as well to txt pass. So I'll make this txt pass. Yeah, right. Then I'll need more tools, more controls, like I'll need command button here. So this command button will be named cmd login, and then its caption will be login. Then I'll change its font. Like using Times New Romans, but you can change to any other font. I feel like font size is 16. Then I'll just copy this and paste, so such that I have another button here called this will be the exit button, so I'll call it cmd. I'll term it cmd exit. Then its caption will be actually it will be exit, as simple as that. Then I'll just try to resize this, reduce this, and I'll just move this closer here a bit. Then yeah, so such that this form looks so nice. When I try to run this, we shall have this login form. So what we are left with is just apply codes, or we shall just apply code such that when you click this it will be effective. So how do we do this? That's what we are going to look at. Before we look at that, let us first look at the second form. Our second form, so-called form 2, I will say, let me name it form welcome. Then we shall say its caption, welcome to AY Enterprises. Yes, as simple as that. Then I would like this form to give me a picture of a certain image. Then I'll set properties of its window state to maximized. Then I'll have to also pick a picture box here. I'll use this picture box. So this picture box, I'll set properties for this picture box. It is termed picture 1. Then I'll set its auto size feature to true, auto size property to true. Then after setting this to true, Then I'll just need one label here. I'll add some simple text in this label. So I'll make this label properties. So I'll have some text here, and the caption of this label 1, I'll say you are most welcome. Simple as that. So I'll change this to transparent back style. Then I'll increase this font such that it appears a bit big. So I'll make it font, say font 30. Yes, as simple as that. So I'll say you are welcome to, it will be there like that. So when come back here on the login, this is where the coding will begin. So by clicking on the login command button, it will take us to its code window, this module. So we have this. So between the private sub, so you see the name of look at the name of our command button, cmd login. We shall have to declare some variables. We shall say dim user as string. We shall also say dim pass as string. Then we shall initialize our variables such that we shall have user equals admin, and then our password or pass will be, we can say 1 2 3 4, like that. So we shall add some other features here, like we shall say if because of course if I first of all demonstrate this, we shall see, let's try out this. When I run this, put admin as the username, and our password will be like that. So there is nothing, no effect as well, but the admin, the username and password are correct, but there is no effect here. So we need to give some other effect. So we shall say if open up these brackets, if the user, our variable equals txt, I shall look at this text box of the username. If you don't want to mess up, you have to go ahead and look at this name. It is txt user. So we shall have txt user dot text is equal to we have user is equal to txt user dot text, and pass is equal to txt, this is the name of the text box, txt pass dot text. So close this. Then what will happen after this, which condition will happen? So after this we have a message box. We shall have a message box to tell us that login successful, then we shall have the Visual Basic OK button only, and then we shall have VB, another feature known as VB information. Then the title for our message box will be logged in. As simple as that. So after that, else, so in case the login fails, what will happen? We shall have another message box to tell us that login failed. So we shall say sorry. So we shall say sorry, login has failed. Then we shall say check user name or password. Check username or password. Then here we shall have VB. We shall have VB retry or cancel plus this VB retry and VB cancel. So basically you can only have the VB okay. Take us back to the login. Shall have only leave VB okay only, as simple as that. So that will be an information. So what else? And if so, when you try to run this, now after logging in here, we shall say I want, if the login is successful, we shall be able to see the second form, the so-called user, this is called form welcome. So we shall say look at this. After login is successful, we shall say form welcome dot show. So we shall have our form called welcome displayed. So I'll try to run this. First of all, put false information, then I'll click login. They will say sorry. Try to look at this clearly. Say sorry, login has failed. Check username and password, then I have to click OK. So when I put the correct information as admin and then our password, we have set it to 1. So they'll say login successful. So we have this information, login successful. Then when I click OK, it will have to display for me this so-called welcome to UI Enterprise. So I have to set the exit button as well, then to accomplish the second form such that it happens to be meaningful. Now for the exit button, I'll say I will declare a variable called iExit. So I'll say the iExit as a string. Then I'll say iExit, I'll initialize it. iExit is equal to message box. I'll open bracket, then I'll set properties of the message box. I'll say do you want to close? There's question mark here. Then shall have VB question. We shall have VB. First of all, we shall have VBS or no. Somebody may wish to close or no. Then we shall have VB question. Then the title for this will happen to be you can say exit as well. So as simple as that. So when say if, we shall set some conditions. Say if I exit equals VB yes, then unload me. And if so, what does this mean? We try to look at this code simply. We try to mean that if a user clicks the exit button and they ask that user, do you want to close? So the user has to choose either yes or no, and if the user chooses yes, then the form will be closed. So they say this is saying to close the current form. That's why we are saying unload me. So let us try out the exit button. I say surely, as you see, they are saying, do you want to close? Now the VB question is this image you're seeing. So if I say no, it will not close. If I say do you want to exit and I choose yes, the user form will be closed. As simple as that. Allow me accomplish the second form. I believe this. So I will have to set an image for this second form. For example, I will set it between this. So when the form is displayed, we shall use an event known as form initialize. So we shall look at this picture. This picture box is called picture 1. So form initialize will have, we shall say picture 1 dot picture. Picture 1 dot picture is equal to load picture. We shall have load picture to the path of the picture. So I'll choose one picture from my computer here. I'll choose one picture from my computer here. Choose a picture from yours. So let me look for one picture here I can choose to display on the form. So I may look for a certain picture, look at programming output, and I choose this folder of my program icons. I need a JPEG picture. When I look at properties of this, yeah, this is JPEG picture. I have to copy this path here. So I have to say right click and copy, then open this. I have to open our VB, open our Visual Basic, then I'll paste that path here, and I'll add a backslash and put the name and extension of the photo will be the name is ay3d.jpg. So I say ay3d.jpg. It is a JPEG photo. So don't forget to have this code, load picture, then picture 1 dot picture equals dot picture this. So let us try and see Basically when you log in here, admin, then password will be 1234. Click login successful. Then they say you're most welcome to AY Enterprises Uganda. As simple as that. So basically the login form will bring us to this new feature, or this new form, or the second form. So they say, do you want to exit or close? Then you say no, not close, yes, it will close. As simple as that. So with all that, there's one thing I need to tell you. With all that is that please, so there's one thing I want from you people. If you have liked this video, please feel free, don't forget to like our video, share, and most importantly, please subscribe.